Hey guys, so the market is going sideways. It's not going anywhere yet. There's no catalyst pushing it higher. What should you do? What should be your style? What should be your narrative? How do you win in these markets? Check this video out. Hey guys, so the market closed at 7861 today. It's just moving along the normal progression that we've mentioned over the past few months, that a market that's sideways won't go anywhere unless there's any catalyst that could cause it to go higher. And the narrative there, no, if you are a quick trader, it's a good place to buy and sell as long as you know how to plot your support and resistance. And you have to remember, a lot of the stocks that are really following the movement of the index will flow and move in this direction. That's why you saw, or you are currently seeing, a lot of stocks that are moving sideways. So recommendation, you are a quick trader, know how to plot your support and resistance as well. And then as you know how to plot your support and resistance as well, you could trade the gyrations from support and resistance. So if you're a quick trader, money can still be made in this type of market. And the disadvantage though, if you are a person who's following the index and you are just positioning and your time frame is relatively shorter, the problem with that will be, as the market is not going anywhere, you might be holding on to something, and then while you're holding on to it, it might not give you the gains that you would want. It might not be as attractive as what you want it to be. So the technique for all of this, the technique, the style to be able to win is, number one, you have to be very selective already on the stocks that you choose. Meaning, that's why what I normally do, if you notice it, most of the videos that I create are when the market is closed at the evening, so that I can just purely check the charts for what it is. That I don't really look at what the news is saying. I don't look at any forums where it could give me an anticipated idea on it. Everything that I need to know is found in the charts, and that's what I want to share to you. And that's my technique, that's my style on how it has helped me, and that's what I love about the markets, that it allows you to be able to trade and win by just doing stuff on your own, being independent, and just using a few minutes of your time every day to be able to trade it. So let me show you some trading ideas now. Over the past few days and weeks, they've been doing very well, even though the market has been flat. So let me show this to you. Number one, I want to show you DMW. Let's look at DMW. DMW, by the way, has been battered. It's pretty much been battered after its IPO. This was its battering down, but after that, look at this solid and amazing breakout which happened at the start of the year. The breakout from that portion is already showing you that the stock is moving from bearish to bullish, and there's a breakout. Our goal is just to stick to those breakouts and to maximize it to its fullest extent. For those who bought in those levels, now I think I've placed that in previous stocks by request. The stock has started to move and progress in its uptrend, also as confirmed by this MACD that I've placed there. So every nugget of information that's telling you to buy is pretty much confirming it. So if you bought at that level, please remember, there's still no sell signal. The stock is still pushing up, and you're up right now for 50+%. So 50+% for 3 months while the market is sideways and not going anywhere. That's a pretty decent gain. Now let me show you the shorter perspective. If you are trading a shorter perspective, there's also a breakout that happened just a few days ago, man. After that, you'll see this. The breakout from that level is now giving you still a 13 and 40% gain. So why am I saying this? If you're a quick trader and a position trader, the stock is still moving up. DMW is still in an uptrend. Regardless of what your style is, you're not supposed to sell yet. The goal and the heart and the narrative of this is, as long as the charts are telling you to buy and hold, you don't need to sell even if the market is flat and it's sideways. Another trading idea that I'd like to show you is ICT. ICT has done amazing things. Look at this. If you try to look at the style that I've shown you, similar to DMW, the chart doesn't change. The buy signal happened here. This is a bit longer na, no? So this was around November. So the upside of this is already at 39-40% without any sell signal yet in sight. The uptrend is still pretty much intact, and the goal, the style, is just to stick to your uptrends. You have to remember, even drops like this, when the stock started to go down, but you're using this moving average to help you buy. You don't have to do anything. Just chill and just hold your position. So for those who are sticking to position trading, those who own ICT, no need to sell yet. Hold on to your positions. Next is, let me give you another shorter perspective. A shorter moving average. Look at this naman for ICT. Same thing. boom, there. What do you see here? There's a breakout. Just happened a few days ago also. There's a breakout from here. From this point in time, there's also no sell signal. Your goal here, the stock is up 9.5%. The goal here is to just hold your positions. This is while the market in general is sluggish. So that's a technique, no? Just so stick to your technicals very, very well. You have to pick what parameter you would want to use, what move, either a moving average or MACD or ADX, or you draw your own support and resistance. And if you've noticed it, no, what I've been doing over the past few weeks is I've been giving you variations on what you can use. I've been giving you variations on what may possibly work for you, and just stick to this channel. We'll give you as much options as you can. No? So we'll give you as much options so that you can pick, select, and time the markets with confidence, because it can be done. You can time the markets with confidence regardless of what your profession and your job is. Timing the markets is possible regardless of regardless if you're busy. So what I want to suggest to you is do what I do at night. I study my charts, and then I try to spend the time to just execute in the morning based on the analysis that I've created. And it can be done. It's possible. That it's not dependent on winning in the market. It's not about watching your stocks on a per minute basis. Please remember, I'll not say this over and over and over again. You don't make money by the amount of time you monitor, but you make money about analyzing it well and positioning well and creating a strategy that will help you to buy and sell with perfection. So there. Look at another. Just to end this video, I want to show you Ayala Land. How Ayala Land is pretty much following the index. Look at this. Ayala Land is also sideways. If you look at what's happening, it's pretty much sideways. It's not breaking out of 45. Every time it goes to around 45, it's having a hard time. It can't really push up and go up every time it goes to this position. So, ganun lang siya. Failure to go to around 45 or go above 45, you can't really expect it to move and push higher for the short term. So, since the start of 2019, Ayala Land has been hovering from 42 to 45 for the short term. And if you notice it, moving average, one of the disadvantages is if it's sideways, the short-term moving average will give you false signals for the short term. So, that's what I want to share to all of you, and I hope that this video helps you and give you the right perspective on how you can also trade the markets with confidence, because it can be done. You can win, you can trade the markets. And another thing, if you're new to this channel, I'm a Filipino stock market trader. I usually give analysis on stocks using technical analysis, and I hope that this gives you a perspective of how you can trade the market. So if you're new to this, subscribe and smash the button so you get updated on what's happening as well. So I hope this is Marvin German. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless.